A very good morning to you all. This is Suchita here. Let's deep dive into the problem statement we are solving. Imagine you're a community worker in a small village in Tamil Nadu. A widow comes to you. Her husband passed away last year. She has no income. She qualifies for a government pension, but the application forms are in English. The eligibility rules are spread across 5 different government websites. And if you give her the wrong advice, her application gets rejected and she waits another 8 months. This is the reality for millions of welfare workers across India every single day. So, to solve this problem, we built Awaaz Relay to fix this. Awaaz Relay is a multilingual AI copilot for frontline welfare workers. It lets a worker ask any question about Tamil Nadu government, pension schemes and get back two things at once. First, an actionable checklist written for the worker telling them exactly what steps to take and what documents to collect. Second, a plain language explanation written for the citizen in their own language so they understand what is happening and exactly why. It works in Tamil, Telugu, Kannada, Hindi, and English. It covers 12 government welfare schemes, including widow pension, old age pension, disability pension, and many more. And every single answer is well grounded in 214 verified facts sourced directly from official Tamil Nadu government portals. There are 3 input modes. One is the type, like you will be typing the concern you're having. Like the worker simply types the question in any language, like the system detects the language automatically and responds in the same language which you have typed. The second one is an upload feature. So this is where it gets more powerful. Like a worker can upload a photograph of a government form that citizen brings in, like an application, like a filled application, a rejection letter, a disability certificate or any kind. We just upload it and ask what to do. Here, the Gemini Vision reads all the text in the image and our system responds based on what it finds. This directly solves the problem of workers not understanding English government forms. And the third mode was voice. The worker speaks their question out loud in their language. The browser converts speech to text and the system processes exactly like a typed query. This is critical for workers who are not comfortable typing on a phone keyboard. All 3 modes feed into the same intelligence pipeline. The input method does not matter. The quality of the answer is always same. So I'll be showing you the demo. For example, I'll be going with my regional language, Telugu, to make sure to tell you and read it better. So instead of typing a query, you could test it by the quick queries, like how to apply. If I click it, you'll be directly redirecting to the query. Like what are the steps to avoid for widow pension and where do I go and what do I bring? So this is one of the query which we have filled up and we get analyzed with Awaaz Relay. It analyzes the query, processing the input, it searches from the knowledge base and generates you AI response. See, like it has taken around 11,052 milliseconds with an 82% of high confidence. Like the information retrieved closely matches the query and you can proceed with confidence through always confirm final decisions with the office. I have already told you that you will be getting a worker guidance, like how to apply, the basic steps to apply, and you could copy them as well. Like these are the steps to follow. Like if the person has followed, then we'll be clicking the checklist, like these things have been done. It's for the worker guidance and to communicate with like to the person who is like a Telugu person, you will get a Telugu transcript. Like I'll be reading it. Akka వితంటు పింఛన్ దరఖాస్తు ప్రక్రియ కొంచెం గందరగోళంగా ఉండవచ్చు కానీ మేము మీకు సహాయం చేస్తాము మీరు మీ బ్లాక్ డెవలప్మెంట్ ఆఫీస్ బీడీఓ లేదా స్థానిక సామాజిక సంక్షేమ శాఖ కార్యాలయానికి వెళ్ళాలి అక్కడ మీకు దరఖాస్తు ఫారము లభిస్తుంది. మీరు మీ ఆధార్ కార్డు, మీ భర్త మరణ ధృవీకరణ పత్రం, మీ బ్యాంక్ పాస్బుక్, రేషన్ కార్డ్ మరియు పాస్పోర్ట్ సైజ్ ఫోటోలను తీసుకెళ్ళాలి. అన్ని పత్రాలు అసలు కాపీలు మరియు కానీ జిరాక్స్ కాపీలు తీసుకెళ్లడం మంచిది. కార్యాలయంలోని అధికారులు మీకు మరింత సహాయం చేస్తారు. Like this is Telugu and you could get this in English as well. Like both the languages you'll be getting in transcript. This will help us to communicate way more better with the people. If the person is not knowing English, they could communicate in Telugu as well. And these are the source, like hidden sources where these things have been generated. Like from these knowledge base, this has been generated. And finally, a feedback. So this is the website we have built, and you could upload images as well. I will upload this image, like a text image of all the details having. I'll start analyzing with. So after like retrieving the image, like using the Google Vision, like I have got around 2350 to 23,526 milliseconds has been taken with a medium confidence of 57%. Like human review is required, so it will be providing you with all the portal details, Aadhaar help, like you could go to the direct links of the websites. You could visit the block development office in your district and the helpline number. And the worker guidance, like all services are unavailable as a person needs to be taking care of it, so it's out of scope. So these are the things. First it has to be verified and done. And this is the language you'll be getting. Like for you, Didi, we are having trouble connecting to the AI service right now. Please try your question again in the moment. If you need immediate help, call to this toll-free number. These are the facts which has been considered to get the details. And this is the feedback. This is like OCR, like object character recognition. You could print it as well, like what exactly the retrieval has been gone through. You could print it as well. And let's go to the new query. So I'll reload it, and now I'll go with the voice one. Hello, this is Suchita. I'll try to speak it now. Hello, this is Suchita. I'm 80 years old and I want a pension. I'll try it once again. Like I'll try it in English so that you could understand. Hi, this is Suchita. I'm 80 years old. I need a pension. 80, like I need a pension. See, like I didn't provide some main specific data, like what exactly pension I need and everything. So that's why it has gone to the medium confidence level. It has provided me numbers so that I'll be contacting them and telling them some valid details, like what exactly I need, in what basis I need a pension. So this is the 3 modes we'll be considering. Now coming to the technical impact, how we use Gemini. Gemini is the heart of everything in this system. Like we used it in 3 distinct ways. First, for embeddings, we used the Gemini embedding 001 model to convert all 214 knowledge base facts into 3072 dimensional vectors. When a query comes in, we embed the query using the same model and find the most similar facts using cosine similarity. This means the system understands meaning, not just keywords. A worker assigning about a widow whose husband recently passed away will match facts about the widow pension scheme even if they never used the words widow pension in their question. Second, for OCR and image understanding, when a worker uploads a government from image, we send it to Gemini Vision, which reads all the text, understands the layout, and extracts the relevant information. This works on handwritten notes, forms, scanned documents, and phone camera photos of paper forms. Third, for generating the response, we used a Gemini model chain. We tried Gemini 2.20 flashlight first because it is fast and cheap. If it times out or returns an error, we automatically fall back to Gemini 2.0 Flash and then to Gemini 2.5 Flash if needed. The prompt we sent to the model includes the retrieved facts, the worker's query, and up to 8 turns of conversation history. The model is instructed to generate a structured JSON response with a worker checklist, a citizen explanation, a confidence estimate, and an escalation recommendation if needed. We also calculate a confidence score as a weighted blend of the retrieval quality and the model's own self-estimate. If the score drops below 40%, we suppress the answer entirely and show the government helpline number. Instead, we never give a guess when we are not sure. In the knowledge base, 45 seconds, we build a knowledge base of 214 facts covering all 12 major Tamil Nadu welfare schemes. Every fact has a source citation pointing to the exact official Tamil Nadu government or document it came from. The facts cover eligibility rules, income limits, required documents, application deadlines, benefit amounts, the appeals process, contact information, and many more. We also have pre-verified translations in all 5 languages for the most common query scenarios so that the citizen explanation always feels natural and not like a machine translation. When the system retrieves facts, it uses a hybrid approach. Semantic search using Gemini embeddings is the primary method. BM25 keyword search is the fallback when embeddings are not available. The scores are blended and the top 5 most relevant facts are sent to the model. And at last, why this project matters. Tamil Nadu alone has over 10 million citizens eligible for welfare pensions who are not generally enrolled. Nationality, that number is the hundreds of millions across India and similar developing countries. The gap is not eligibility, the gap is access. Workers who could bridge that gap do not have the right tools. Awaaz Relay gives them those tools in their language on their phone with grounded AI that cites its sources and admits when it does not know. We built Awaaz Relay because real problems deserve real solutions, not just demos, not toys. A production system with 70 automated tests, continuous integration, Docker containers, proper error handling, and a safety system that refuses to answer when it is not confident enough. The name Awaaz means voice in Hindi. We built this so that every welfare worker has a voice that speaks every language, knows every rule, and never gives up on a citizen. Thank you.